Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and what we have here is the Google Pixel 3. This is the India retail unit, and as you can see, the price is also mentioned here in Indian rupees. This is MRP at 71,000 rupees. The Google Pixel 3 that we have got here is in the new color, which is called Not Pink, and it's quite interesting. It has the Steam Pixel hashtag mentioned on the back of the box, and here you can see the picture of the phone on the box, the rear of the phone picture on the front of the box, Google Pixel 3 Google branding. And I'm just gonna cut the seal, open this and show you how it looks, the first impressions, and it comes with frustration free packaging. As you can see, there is a pull tab here. You just pull here. You don't need, in fact you don't need an unboxing knife, so I'll just put it aside. It's very easy to take this lid open, and the color almost looks like how it looks like on the box. This is very close to the real color, and this is called Not Pink. It has a peachish sort of shade. I'm not expert in colors, probably you can see it for yourself better. And here is how it looks, a very nice and interesting look. There is this matte finish on this part, and there is this glossy, and this is single piece of glass which has been processed in two different ways. There's also Google branding right here. This is the rear facing camera, which is now improved both on software as well as hardware level. Secondary mic hole. On the right hand side you get the color accentuated bar key, which is kind of orangish in tone, and then you have the volume rocker just below it. The other side is totally clean, and on the bottom there is SIM card tray and Type-C fast charging USB port. On top is secondary mic hole for noise cancellation, and on the front is a 5.5-inch display. There are dual front firing speakers. There's dual front facing camera this time, so the front facing camera does get an upgrade, and it now supports wide angle. While it boots, let me show you what else is there in the box. Here you have some documentation and a SIM removal tool. It says let's get started, Team Pixel and Google stickers, and there is safety and warranty guide if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Going further, you have got a pair of earphones, nicely packaged. These are Type-C standard earphones, and these are good quality earbuds from Google, and they are very nicely packaged. I'm very impressed. This is some biodegradable sort of material, so they have taken good care of packaging. It is eco-friendly packaging. Here you have a Type-C to Type-C USB cable for charging. You also get a Type-A to Type-C adapter for data transfer from your old phone, so it does allow you to transfer it over the wire. In case you want to plug in your existing headphones which you have purchased recently and you do not want to use Type-C, then there is a Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter, which is a good thing. It is included in the box. And last but not the least is the charging brick, and this is the adaptive fast charging brick that you get with this phone. So this is all in the box, top of the line accessories, good packaging, frustration free packaging, and we are back to the phone, and this is how it looks. Let me quickly set this up and get back. We have skipped through everything just to give you a quick sneak peek into the how this display and home screen looks like, and this is how the phone looks like. It supports gestures, and it has this back button. The feel of the phone is quite impressive. I'll keep my opinions reserved for the full review. First impressions seem very positive, and I really like the display. I've seen the keynote, and this is the first time I'm seeing the display in person, and it does look quite good, very bright and very vivid. The feel of the phone is quite right sized. This is the Pixel and not the XL. Let me quickly take a few pictures and show you some samples so that you can have a feel of how the camera performs. So this is no way a detailed test, just an initial test, and you have to wait for our full review for detailed testing. and this is the wide. So there are two modes. So this is the wide picture with the front facing camera. This is the normal picture, and this is the rear facing camera picture, as you can see. So this is all I leave you with, so you have a fair idea of what you get in the box and what to expect from Google Pixel 3. We are going to give you a detailed review very soon, so stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. This is all we have on this one. Give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed, keep watching our videos, and we are coming up with new giveaways every now and then. I'm leaving a few cards to give away at the end of this video, so do check out our latest giveaways. Your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.